We've done a lot of content about making videos with this powerhouse lately. But what about one of these powerhouses that you may already have in your pocket? Creating sharp professional video content with your Android phone is easier than ever, and today I'll tell you how. Hey everyone, I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and today we'll be going over some practical tips to get super professional looking videos out of your Android phone. Let's dive right in. First, and I know this one from experience, turn on airplane mode before you hit record. Calls, texts, and even background sync apps can stop recording or throw you off your game, not to mention take up RAM and other resources. Close any apps you aren't using, activate airplane mode, and continue. Next, lighting is your best friend when it comes to improving video quality. Great lighting reduces noise, even on high-end phones. Natural daylight during early morning or golden hour especially can be great. If you're indoors, there are oodles of budget LED lights and ring lights available that allow you to adjust brightness and color temp. No need to invest in professional Hollywood equipment. Just get some consistent, soft lighting and you'll be set. Let's talk about sound for a second. Most Android phones aren't great at isolating your voice, especially in noisy environments. A simple USB-C lapel mic, wireless lav, or even small shotgun mic will dramatically improve your sound. Most of these accessories are made to use a headphone jack, however, there are now many USB-C compatible options as well. When filming, using your phone's rear camera will give you access to your phone's most advanced camera features. Many flagship Android phones now offer 8K recording, like Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Xiaomi 14 Ultra, Vivo X100 Pro Plus, and more. Most phones default to 1080p recording to save space, so you'll need to go into your settings and change that manually. If you have a hard time lining up your shot using the rear camera like I do, there are USB-C and wireless preview monitor accessories as well. Another thing to consider is that high-resolution recording is demanding on your phone's resources, so give yourself every edge you can. Before you begin to record, fully charge your device. Free up as much internal storage as possible, or use a U3/V30 microSD card if supported, and reboot your phone to flush RAM and background apps. Recording in 8K can use up to 600 to 800 megabytes per minute and may overheat your phone. Test in advance if filming for long stretches and remove bulky cases if needed to let things breathe. Conversely, you can buy cases with built-in fans to help keep things cool if it's an issue. Besides the accessories already mentioned today, things like a tripod, motorized gimbal stabilizer, portable power bank, or cold shoe mount or phone cage to mount all of your gadgets can be helpful, especially if you use your phone to film often. Before you start filming, always do a test shot to check framing, mic input, exposure, and be sure you understand your phone's various recording features like slow motion, time-lapse, AI scene optimization, cinema modes, etc., so that you are achieving exactly the look you want. In 2025, your phone can shoot stunning videos, but only if you treat it like a real camera. With a bit of setup, the right accessories, and a few test runs, you'll be creating crisp, stable, great-sounding video content that stands out. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you next time with more DIY in 5.